Hello everybody, welcome. Now, something nice and simple today. I'm going to get straight on with it. I'm going to be doing a full English pizza. I've had a few people ask me to do them before. I've never done one before. So, let's get cooking. Right, I've got myself some Cumberland. I've got myself some black pudding. Love black pudding, me. Got myself a couple of button mushrooms, chopped up. A couple of cherry tomatoes, chopped up. Some bacon, I pre-cooked the bacon. I've got myself 2 eggs in 2 different bowls. And I've got myself some beans. With the beans, I'm going to use the sauce, the bean sauce, for the bottom of the pizza. And so I've just got a pizza base. I'm going to be doing it in this new air fryer, this faux hair air fryer. I'm going to do it in there to see what it's like. So what I want to do first, I want to get the pizza base. I'm going to put it on this tray. So I've got to cut it to size. So I'm going to put it in for a couple of minutes just to start, because I want to take it off the parchment paper to see if it'll cook underneath as well. That's my plan anyway. So I'll cut the pizza base to size first. Right, I'm just rolling this out. I don't even think I've got to cut it. It's the same size. So that's a bonus, because that'd fit a proper pizza, that would. Right, I'm going to put that in, just to start crisping it up, just start getting it a bit brown. Then I can take it off this. Because what I don't want it to all start sinking through there once I start cooking it. Starts dropping through. So we'll get it in there for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to stick this onto air fry. It's already on air fry. Now I don't know how long it's going to go in. I'm going to say maybe 5 minutes. It has already warmed up because I've done a... Hold on, let me just cut that bit off there. Yeah, it has already warmed up because I've pre-done the bacon in it. I'm going to put that in the middle shelf. I'm just going to get it like 3 or 4 minutes. And I just want it to start doing. That's on about 5 minutes there. I'll keep an eye on it. Right, while that's doing, I'm just going to cut up some Cumberland. I'm going to use 2 sausages. Just want it as the sausage meat, that's all. I could have kept it as the old sausage, but I don't know if it's cooking that time. So I'm just going to take the skin off. Like so, on both of them. Then I'm going to get myself some black pud. I'll have 2 black pudding, cut in half. Actually, I might stick them into 4. Yeah, I'll put them into 4. Now, there's no hash browns, unfortunately. And I ain't doing chips either. Right, that's just starting to get brown now. It's only been in about 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm going to get it out. Oh, it's only been a couple of minutes. Close that a minute. Turn it off for a second while we build this. Right, what I've done is I've turned it over. I don't know if I can show you. It's very hot. I've turned it over. So that's the hard bit at the bottom then. And that should all cook nice then. Right, first things first, I'm going to use the bean sauce. I'm going to pour that on. Get it on, don't be shy. I'm going to spread that. Never had a full English pizza before. Looking forward to this one, I really am. Now I'm going to stick a little bit of cheese at the bottom first. Not a lot, just a bit. And what I want to do is I want to make like a little hole for the egg to sit in. Something like that, on both sides. Just get something for the egg to sit in, there we go. Sprinkle a bit on, I don't want a lot on it. Like so. I'm going to stick an egg in each one of these holes, hopefully. Probably run everywhere, but learn by your mistakes. I'm just going to build it now. Let's get some bacon on around the egg. So it all soaks in. Yeah, it's soaking through a bit. Look, it's all running off the edges. Not to worry. Just pile it on. Mushrooms. Black pudding. I could have put the egg around the black pudding, couldn't I? If I use my brain. Oh, one more black pudding. And I'm going to put a bit of sausage on now. I hope all this cooks. I'm just piling it on. I don't care what it looks like. It's all in the taste. And I'm just going to stick some tomatoes on top. I'm not going to put no extra cheese on it. I think that'll do. Right, let's get it in the air fryer. Right, so put a tray in the bottom there just to catch the excess egg that's seeping. I'm going to get it on the middle shelf. And I don't know how long. I'm going to put it on for 10. And I'll just keep an eye on it. Trial and error. "10 minutes and I'll keep an eye on it and we'll see." And it looks quite nice actually. I don't know how long the eggs will take to cook. I ain't put the beans in. I ain't put the beans on. Whoa. Let me get some beans on. What am I doing? Beans on. Oh, can't see that. There you go. I don't know whether the beans will burn. But we'll find out. Right, I think that's done. It's been about 9 minutes. It's looking a little bit dry. I wonder whether that's let me have a look. Let's open it up. I thought the beans might go dry. The sausage looks cooked. The egg looks cooked. The mushrooms. Maybe I should have dipped the mushrooms and that in a bit of oil first. The bacon looks okay. Anyway, there it is. Can you see that? And let's try and get it off. Should slide off, I think. There we go. What do we think? I think them eggs are done anyway. Yeah, I think that's just the juices. It looks like quite nice, doesn't it? Apart from the mushrooms look a bit anemic. Did I just say the mushrooms look a bit anemic? I meant dry. But there we go. I mean, you seen it on there, didn't you? You can't really see it. I can't dip it down too much. So I'm going to cut a bit open. Put it on a plate. We'll have a look. Right, it's cooked now. Let's go through the egg. Which egg looks better? That egg looks better. No, that egg's not quite cooked. I'm going to stick it back in for another couple of minutes. Right, that's been in an extra 2 minutes now, so I'm going to get it out. Otherwise everything's going to burn and dry up, ain't it? Get it back on there. Get this off. Yeah, the one egg's struggling to cook, I think, a little bit. Just a little bit too. The white of it. Problem is it's all drying out now. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's a bit there. Anyway, let's cut it open and have a look. I don't know whether that might just be the fat or the fat off all the stuff. I'm not sure. No, it's a little bit. Yeah, see. You can see there. Hold on a minute. So yeah, the egg. see there. Don't know what I'm doing wrong with the egg. But I'm scared to dry it out. Let's give it another minute. We'll see. I'll get there in the end. Trial and error for me, that's all. Trial and error. Get the thingy back on. Put that back in there. I'll get another couple of minutes. Right, that went in for about another 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. The egg's not cooking properly. It's cooked, but it won't get the extra gooiness off the white of the egg. So I'm thinking maybe next time, if I put cheese on it and the egg, and get the white cooked first maybe, and then put the rest on. So I'm not going to eat that one, because I don't want to make myself ill. So I'm just going to try one without the egg for now. But it does look nice, but it's just a shame about that egg. So there it is, without the egg. I need to cut that a bit more, I ain't going to get all over the gob. I want to get a bit of everything now. So let's try it, it's going to be hot. It's a fry up. I've got no brown sauce, but I've got jerk, Aldi's own jerk. Bit of black pudding. That's quite nice. I'm enjoying that. Oh, I like that. You can taste all black pudding. The mushrooms. I thought the beans would have been burnt, but they're a little bit dry. But you can't taste it with can't taste how dry they are when you've got all the rest of it with it. So that is quite nice. I'm going to come back to that one day and try and do it with the egg again, get the egg right. Let's say, you know me, I'm honest. I'll give you an honest opinion if it's worked for me or not. Just to show how many is that egg still running in the middle there. Let me have a look. I will get that egg right one day. Was it hard? Have a look, let's cut it open a bit and see. No, it's quite hard. So, well, oh no, it's got the run there. Can't see that, can you? It's got the run. But never mind, it's still nice. I enjoyed it. And I'll cook it again. And I will get that egg right next time. Next time I'll try it, say, with just the cheese and the egg. Get the white cooked maybe. Or just the egg on the base. Roll the sides up, put some cheese in the sides. As I say, there I am. I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Let me know if you've done one in the air fryer. And how to get the egg properly, you know. Bye bye.